So now we are focused on our next big effort, which is to build a game platform for everyone.
I'd like to thank Yves and his team for partnering with us, and to producer Marc-Alexis Cote and the entire Ubisoft Quebec studio for their masterpiece creation, Assassin's Creed Odyssey. Thank you for bringing your game to our platform, and congratulations for being the first game played by the public on Stadia. You will notice the Play Now button. By simply clicking on that button, the player is brought directly into the game in a browser in as quick as 5 seconds, with no download, no patch, no update, and no install. A key benefit of our platform is that a single creative vision and a single code base can now be enjoyed instantly across any screen. So imagine you've just discovered that game for the first time, you're running it on the Chrome browser, and here it is on a Pixelbook running the Chrome OS. It's then easy and instantaneous to move that same game experience from exactly that moment onto the phone, here on a Pixel 3 XL. I'd like to introduce you to the newest member of the Google hardware family, the Stadia controller. This is your gateway to the best of Stadia. It enables you to access the full Stadia experience, and there are many advantages to the Stadia controller.
When Stadia launches, we will have increased performance significantly to support resolutions up to 4K at 60 frames per second, and in the future, we'll be able to stream games in up to 8K resolution. There is a second simultaneous stream at 4K 60 frames per second that you can choose to share directly to YouTube from the Stadia data center.
And are thrilled to announce that the game will be capable of running at true 4K resolution with HDR color at an unrelenting 60 frames per second.
Where Battle Royale games could go from hundreds of players today to thousands of players tomorrow. And yes, no cheating and no hacking. I'm thrilled to announce that Stadia is launching this year, 2019.